Welcome back to the Tattooed Chef Show. Today we made shawarma spiced chicken wraps with roasted zucchini, yogurt sauce, and homemade guacamole. It's high protein, ready in 30 minutes. Here you can see I sliced up the chicken very thinly, put on the shawarma spicing. Now I'm making my homemade guacamole, a little bit of lemon, tiny bit of red onion, and some Cajun seasoning. That's how I like it. Frying up that chicken nice. I've put a little bit of water there. The zucchini is looking fine. I put it on broil to get a little toast on the top. And here we go. That's our magic chicken wraps. Don't they look delicious? I had 4 there, but I could only eat 3. Thanks for watching, guys.